Heads or tails, it's anyone's guess. Heads is the call, and it's tails. It's a decision to bat first on this batsman-friendly pitch. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. Good effort, leaves the ball this time. Well bowled, nothing conceded. A good lead by the batsman. He knows every run stopped counts. Nicely sent back with a strong flexing action. Shown his contempt with a ravaging shot, lofted for four. Some nimble footwork and a dainty flick that races down fine leg. An impressive stint by both batsmen. That's a dot ball to end the over. Nicely bowled. He's down on one knee, proposing to go for the boundary. The ball races toward the boundary. Good effort from the fielding unit. He gets in a sharp throw to save some extra runs. Two more and he'll retain the strike. That was driven nicely for a boundary. Driven straight to the point fielder on the offside, but no runs added. The fielder is all over it. No freebies today. Some fancy footwork there. Pays off for the fall. The fielders are taking up positions inside the circle as power play kicks in. He whips around for the hook. Nails it. The ball races away to the boundary. He struck the meatiest bit of willow there. A whale of an onside shot. A good over for the batting team. Presses forward in defence. That's some fine running between. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. Ample rotation of the upper body there. A textbook square cut. The field and extra cover, making it all the way to deep. The ball has pierced the fielders all the way.
Getting no rewards wherever you scan and pay? Time to switch to Amazon Pay. Get guaranteed rewards daily.
Driven it to the mid-wicket fielder on the... Good drive, but finds the mid-off fielder. No chance of a run there. A good shot selection. Drives the ball to the offside. He's got a great arm and knows how to use it. What a throw! Excellent placement by the batsman. Moves quickly to place the ball on the offside. No need to run for it. Some aggressive defence there from the fielding side. A big slip up from the batsman at the crease. He would have been unlucky if he had got out in this fashion. Well contained. Played it with soft hands on the onside and makes it look effortless in the end. With a hop, skip and a jump up the ropes, ball to the batsman. They're making the batsman fight for every run. Good show by the fielders. Driven it to the mid-wicket fielder on the leg side. No runs. The fielders are on guard, protecting. Good effort from the fielding unit. He gets in a sharp throw to save some extra runs. The ball is not stopping for anyone. Agility. He stopped that brilliantly. That's it. 4 more runs to end the over. Looks like it is an expensive over for the bowler.
Getting no rewards wherever you scan and pay? Time to switch to Amazon Pay. Get guaranteed rewards daily.
Singles out to mingle with that whopper. What a sixer! He has slogged that straight down the ground. He whacks it over the fielders' heads. Bounces for 4. It's a huge shot, timed brilliantly by the batsman. The batsman didn't want to take any risk there. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. 2 runs. Oh, that's brilliant. They've run the first one hard and came back for the second so quick. A quick shuffle and it's all in the wrists as the ball flies down leg side. on his knee, sweeping the bowler off their feet. Great coordination between. He knows every run. Watches the ball so closely and attacks it straight down the ground. No run again. Clever bowling by the bowler. The batsman has been deceived completely. Good stuff from the bowler. Bowls a shortish delivery this time. Excellent delivery. The batting side are no doubt getting frustrated. Time from the fielder.
हैप्पी बर्थडे निकला
दादू अब तेरी खर्ची का टाइम आया है
An off spinner joins in the middle. They're desperate for a wicket now. He bends and it's a paddle sweep down the leg side. He knows every run stopped counts. Nicely sent back with a strong flexing action. Cleaving through cover and mid-off. A magnificent drive. That was nicely driven to offside covers, but stopped by the fielder. He's driven it hard and home, frolicking down the pitch. You won't find that shot in any textbook. That's some clever use of the wrist from the batsman. He drives that one down to the onside. Bowler overstepped the line there. The ball has pierced the fielders all the way. It's in the air. If that finds a pair of hands, it's over. It's sayonara with that delivery. A 4 off the last ball. A good over for the batting team. As the spinner steps in, it's a non-stop offside assault. He'll live and fight another day. A good decision to avoid that one. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. An inventive piece of batting. What a response. That's a quick bit of legwork from these two. Took the pace off the ball with that brilliantly timed dive. He clears the feet and slugs it on the onside. One bounce and over the fence. Four more runs to end the over. A good over for the batting team. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. The batsman presses forward in defence. He's almost knocked his block off. A savage bouncer gets a strong warning. Fielders making their move in the ground. Well fielded in the end. He returns a very good throw back to the stumps. A daredevil dive that pays dividends. Boundary denied. This is an absolute ripper of a ball. It has sent the bales flying all around. He just has to stick to the basics and play his natural game here. That's well left. Better safe than sorry. A sharp economist, this one. A frugal over with slim returns for the batting. Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. Swept away in a frenzy. He had less than a second to throw himself in front, and he makes it! What a save! He's got a great arm and knows how to use it. What a throw! An amazing effort in the end from the fielder. Opposition for the batting side in this outfield. It's another dot ball in this over. The bowler will be pleased with that one. Swept away in a frenzy. Has been called into the attack now. He's taken the safe route on that one. Come on! He's kicking himself for that shot. Easy catch by the fielder. He is the new man in. He should stick to the team plan and anchor the innings. He's making the batsman work for his money. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. With a hop, skip and a jump of the ropes. 4 to the batsman. A cracking way to get off the mark. Has driven it to perfection. Four more runs to end the over.
Download the RGO app.
The bowler goes for one last hurrah in his final over. Blinding speed and a quick throw. Good effort from the fielding unit. He gets in a sharp throw to save some extra runs. A hop, a skip, and the ball whooshes away to leg. The decision is in favour of the batsman. Not out, says the umpire. Forced him to play that down. Calculated bowling. Four more runs to end the over. Well judged by the batsman at the crease. The striker is hesitant to make any big moves. No runs off that ball. Technology will have to take a call on this one. Too close for human judgment. Edged and caught. Infrared to confirm. There's a blip on the hotspot and it's all over. An unfortunate lapse in timing and he's out. A new batsman walking in. They've gone to monochrome and zoomed into the hotspot. It looks close. It's all clear, and the batting side is relieved. He's on his knee, sweeping the bowler off their feet. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true, opening the tally with a quick single. Smack sends the bowler a message. Keep doing that and I'll keep hitting you for 4. Looks like he will be warned for this delivery. That was just exceeding the acceptable height limits. A tiny dot. Ball to end the over. The bowling side has decided to continue the medium pace onslaught. Looks like they'll go up for the review. That's going to need a keener pair of eyes. The wickies nabbed it, but was that an edge? He might be in the clear here. The cameras don't show anything nasty. He's taken a risk with that one, but he might just be okay. The tension in the dressing room is palpable. Is it all over for him? Not just yet. Ultra edge detect. A lovely drive down the offside. He moves like lightning and stops it just inside. He's got a great arm and knows how to use it. What a throw. That finds the middle of the bat and he goes for the on drive. Some balls are better left unplayed. Good judgment there. The batsman has found the gap through the fielders on the offside. An economical over comes to an end.
एक बार बात निकला गई मैंने ना बेटा बहुत किसको ना बेटा.
The bowler goes for one last hurrah in his final over. The crowds are going crazy for the good effort from the fielding unit. He gets in a sharp throw to save some extra runs. The batsman opting to play it safe on that one. No runs. The fielders are pulling out all the stops. By making all the stops, driven it to the mid-wicket fielder on the leg side. No runs added. That's as square as the best of them. An acrobatic dive prevents the extra run. The bowler smiles in relief. A brilliant maiden over that is thoroughly... frustrated the batsman. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. Gracefully pulled down the leg side. That's a good throw by the fielder, getting right back at the stumps. He's led it skyward. Is that going to cost him? Played it with soft hands on the onside and makes it. And it's gone for a four. It's edged and runs away for the boundary ropes for 4 runs. Some sensational stuff to watch from the fielder. A good ball. No runs given off that one. That was a cleanly managed ball. The over's last ball. A good over for the batting team. Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. The batsman has found the gap through the fielders in the deep square. Sensational stuff! Stopped a definite boundary with his fielding effort. Good effort from the fielding unit. He gets in a sharp throw. Well contained. A smart effort by the bowler. That sliced away brilliantly by the batsman. Great timing on that square cut. Driven straight to the point fielder on the offside. But no runs added. Some of the best hands in the business, and he proves it once more. It's a catch. He has to stick to his basics and not give away his wicket here.
दादू अब तेरी खर्ची का टाइम आया है।
सारे स्टिकर कलेक्ट करेगा तब
A good over. The bowler goes for one last hurrah in his final over. He's devastated that ball. Thumped over the field for four. And he's off the mark with a cracker of a shot. Over it goes. Good shot selection. Drives the ball. A sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. He is not able to control the line and length on this spell. That over was an all-you-can-eat buffet. Expensive and satisfying for the bat. Let's see if this last spell is a magical one. It doesn't seem to be timed well. He has to run hard on this one to be a sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. The bowler is confident that the batsman is gone. The bowler seems frustrated with the decision. They aren't going for a DRS opinion on this one. Hands from the bowler. It's been signalled a wide delivery. When the bowler's trying to play executioner, the umpire steps in as judge and jury. Spotted so quickly by the fielder. What a great effort in the field. It's sayonara with that delivery. Has been called into the attack now. Good effort from the fielding unit. He gets in a sharp throw to save some extra runs. A wild swinging delivery. The batsman is in real trouble now. That was well judged by the fielder. That was nicely driven to offside covers, but stopped by the fielder. The batsman might be in trouble here. He has to push to stay on. 2 runs to start things off. He's driven it splendidly through the covers. Bowlers! A textbook drive that rockets down to extra cover. The ball slams into the stumps.
हैप्पी बर्थडे दिख रहा
दादू अब तेरी खर्ची का टाइम आया है
sent back with a strong flexing action. Every single counts. Opening the tally with a quick single leaves the batsman totally baffled. The fielder is all over it. No freebies today. That was nicely driven to offside covers, but stopped by the fielder. A lovely drive down the offside. Beautiful follow through. That attack wasn't just meant for the stumps. What a body shot! Excellent use of the feet by the batsman. An acrobatic dive prevents the extra run. The bowler smiles. In relief. An acrobatic dive prevents the extra run. The bowler smiles in relief. Some variation in this one delivered. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. One bounce and into the fence. The ball so closely and attacks it straight down. He moves like lightning and stops it just inside. Sensational effort in the field there. He makes a perfect throw, an easy single to shuffle things along. He jumps back to safety. Was he in time? A confident appeal from the bowler, but the umpire isn't convinced. He turns down the appeal. A quick couplet from the batter. A shocking impact. What for six? The batsman didn't want to take any risk there. The bowler gets a rap on the knuckles for that helmet blaster. He'll live to fight another day. A good decision to avoid that one. Out, says the umpire, and huge celebrations from the fielding unit. The batsman's going to ask to review that decision. He's going to review the umpire's decision. That's a fantastic line by the bowler that's caught him right in the pads. Out! He just has to stick to the basics and play his natural game. Here. The bowling decides to send in a spin meister. Can he spin up a wicket? Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. That's a good throw by the fielder, getting right back at the stumps. An unfortunate error by the bowler. The umpire grants the batting a no ball. Let's see what's in store for the batsman. It's time for a free hit. It's in the air. If that finds a pair, big miss. Couldn't make full use of the free hit delivery. Some fine running between the wickets. Some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. He's hit it badly. He's hit it high. He knows every run stopped counts. Nicely sent back with a strong flexing action. That's an identified flying object. Into the stands for 6. Swept across with no mercy. One bounce and over the fence. The batsman has found the gap through the fielders on the offside. They'll pick up a cheeky double here with that nimble sprint. Gets underneath the ball this time and lofts it for a 6 off the last ball. Batsman would be very pleased with that over. It's nice to see these two at either end. Always makes for great entertainment.
हैप्पी बर्थडे दिखरा
दादू अब तेरी खर्ची का टाइम आया है.
Those clouds look rather menacing. We could have a spot of bother here. Time for some spin now. And off spinner comes into the attack. That's played so well by the batsman for a huge 6. Some unbelievable power hitting there. The ball races away to the boundary. The batsmen are looking straight up, and it looks like we're in for a wet one, folks. It's a long, long way to Tipperary, and that stunning 6. A deadly kiss goodbye to the bowler's last ball. Farewell by 4. That was an expensive over. The bowler is not so impressed with the performance. There's some serious mutual respect and understanding between these two. Oh dear, that drizzle has got the umpires huddling. If it escalates any further, it might lead. Time for some spin now. An off-spinner comes into the attack. Those grey clouds meant business. It's an absolute torrent out here. That's sure to put a dampener on things. Hopefully the pitch will still be playable after the rain. Play is resumed. The rain hasn't changed things much for the batting side. Still an easy target. But now the pressure is on the bowling to try and prevent any upsets from Duckworth-Lewis. That's absolutely magnificent. A fielder is getting ready to get a hold of it. And that's 4. Using his feet superbly. Lovely shot. He has slogged that straight down the ground. Got him with an easy catch in the end. He is the new man in. He should stick to the team plan and end the innings. What a block! Amazing speed and reaction. Good effort from the fielding unit. He gets in a sharp throw to save some extra runs. That's it! runs. He's given the ball some French lead from the pitch. Too bad the bowler didn't approve.
हैप्पी बर्थडे दिखरा
दादू अब तेरी खर्ची का टाइम आया है
The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. Catch! He's played right into the fielder's hands. So close to getting to the 50-run mark, but he has got out. A new batsman walking in. Hope he can save his team's hopes. They lose another wicket in quick succession. He never saw that catch coming. The striker shuffles back to the pavilion. And he completes the hat-trick. Nicely done. Wickets piling up on him. That's lofted for massive six. What a beauty. Oh, that was so close. He has missed out on a hat-trick. Joined the space race with that one. 6 runs. He's really working those triceps with that magnificent. The ball is not stopping for anyone. To end the over.
हैप्पी बर्थडे दिखरा
दादू अब तेरी खर्ची का टाइम आया है
The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. Get it! He whacks it over the fielder's heads. Bounces for 4. Looks like he's sending a message to the bowler. First ball boundary. That's been sliced away for 6. They've weathered many a storm together, haven't they? Great partnership. A safe pair of hands from the fielder. A new man in. Time for him to up the scoring rate. He's taken the aerial route. 6 more. That's going to need a keener pair of eyes. The wickies nabbed it, but was that an edge? Looks like an unfortunate slice. He never should have gone for that. Ultra edge detect to confirm. Bet he knew it was over before anyone else. Back to the dressing room he goes. Ultra edge detect says out. There's no quarter for the batsman. Another scuff. They lose another wicket in quick succession. He needs to stay on and finish